Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day. Unfortunately, it ultimately went in the bears' favor. I mean, it started off with a very, very nice gap upwards and actually ran as highs right there, and I think that some poor souls bought right at that point. But after that, it was essentially all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So kind of back to where it essentially started and back to some of these key areas that I know I've talked about in previous videos. And that main overall level of support that you're going to want to watch now going into next week is still down here right around the $2.47 mark, give or take a few pennies. But that level is going to be important. Just let me squeeze up to offer up more context, because if you go now, especially that we have more data as more days have passed, but you can see that generally speaking, this area does have a very big track record of acting as support. So 247, like I said, nothing new there. That still remains an overall level of support. And you still have the pink line down there, the 200 period moving average, currently valued at $2.40. But the reason it's kind of just disappointing in the sense of that these levels are still relevant after, the price actually was up so much higher this morning. But it is what it is. So those remain the levels and near-term levels to watch going into next week. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to try to bounce back upwards, first key level of resistance that really stands out to me is right up here at this $2.90 mark. So with any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, $2.90 going to be that first key level that the price will have to fight through. And then the next key level after that, up there right around $3.25. So watch these overall levels moving into next week. Again, a disappointing day, but it is what it is at this point. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.